Disclose everything to your mortgage broker. Tell them everything. When they have the information, they'll then go and use that information to research the lenders and find you exactly the deal that's right. If you've got a default, tell them up front. If you've made late repayment, tell them up front. If your income is a bit unusual, tell them up front. Tell them everything. For goodness sake, don't tell them just what you think they want to hear. Mortgage brokers have heard every story under the sun, and they've learned to work with that information to find you the right lender. They are there to get you a loan. They don't get paid unless they get you the loan. They're going to do everything they possibly can to use the information you tell them to find the right lender for you in your circumstances. So tell them everything. They'll then go and use that information to research the lenders and find you exactly the deal that's right. Tell them everything. When they have the information, they can use it effectively. Do yourself a favour, tell your broker everything. If you've got a default, talk to MyCRA Lawyers. So what is it you shouldn't tell your mortgage broker? Well, actually, there's nothing you shouldn't tell your mortgage broker.